Hello everyone, today is 24th November. My name is Shraddha and today's my Viva topic is encapsulation. Today we discussed about what is encapsulation, how to implement encapsulation, advantages and disadvantages of encapsulation and a real-time example of encapsulation. Firstly, we discussed about what is encapsulation. In encapsulation, the process is binding a data and corresponding the methods together in a single unit is known as encapsulation in a Java. And encapsulation in a Java, it is a process to wrapping a data, code and a data together in a single unit. For example, a capsule which is a mix to the several medicines. We can create a encapsulated class in a Java by making all data members of a class privately. Then we can use to the setter and a getter method to set and get value of a data in it. A Java is a bean class, and it is an example of the fully encapsulated class. Secondly, we discuss about how to implement encapsulation in a Java. Firstly, we make the instance of a variable privately, and then they cannot be accessed directly from the outside the class, and you can only set and get method value to this variable throughout the method of the class. And second, have to getter and a setter methods in a class to get and set values to the field. Then the example of encapsulation in a Java, the bag is the one of the most real time example. Encapsulation school bag, it is a keep pens, notebooks, etc. This is a very easy example to understand encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Then advantages of encapsulation, by providing only a setter and a getter methods, you can make the class read only or a write only, and we provide control over the data. It is a way to achieve the data hiding in a Java because of the class is not able to the access a data through the private data members. And the encapsulation class is easy to test, and so it is better than the 4 units testings, and it is easy to create the encapsulated class in a Java, and it is improve maintainability of the application, and it is the prevent the other classes to the access of private fields. And disadvantages of encapsulation is like the main disadvantages of encapsulation in a Java, it is increase the length of a code and slowly executed. The most disadvantages in a encapsulation there is that is this is the encapsulation in a Java. That's it. Thank you.